Here it is. The moment you've all been waiting for. It is. No, I'm not going to show you. I'm going to show you the number yet, actually. Here it is. It's at the farm now. Got some chains on. Here she is. Hooked up to the TMR mixer. This is the replacement of the 4430. We needed something by the time hay making was coming around. Here's the weights. They aren't the shiniest thing, but the hood is nice and shiny. Got some okay tires. Brand new in the front. All clean and everything. There you go. Pretty nice. You already knew it was a 4440 from the other video, but here's the K&A steps. They're not the John Deere ones like we have, but doesn't matter. Might help if I actually pulled on it. It's really sad because it smells good in here because of the air freshener. The seat's brand new. New interior. When we got her, we had him put in this nice dash so I can set my iPod in like this. Quad range, 2 hydraulics. 3-point, we put 4430 mirror. These were off the 4430. Here's a radio. It's a tuner one. I really don't like those. I like the ones, digital ones. Otherwise, it smells really good in here because of this. That is 1,400 hours on this tack. Because when the guy had it before us said, inside here they written how much hours were on it. Because they had to put a new tack in sometime in this tractor's life. So, it is about 8,661.4 hours or something like that right now. And then, right here, engine and oil filter, 1390. So, 11 hours ago. We've put 11 hours on this tractor. Just mixing TMR. It's really nice. The hood is super shiny. The bird's already shit all over the fenders and the roof. It's pretty nice in here. Let's start her up. So there we go. I think it starts better than the other one. Radio works. I don't know, something about the seats really stinking comfortable. I know why. So on the seats we have, it's like straight across, but this one like curves. And I actually like that a lot. It makes it a lot more comfortable. There you go. I guess that light bulb's out, but we never use that anyway. Got the steering knob on it. I'm not going to drive it because I don't feel like packing it back in. We'll make the mirrors go farther out in the summertime so we can see behind wagons and stuff. Otherwise, the AC works or the heat works. At least I said the AC works really good. because it has the updated pump and hoses and crap. It's really nice. Shuts off easy too. Some people shut the battery off and take the fuel off. I really don't think it matters the order. I always disengage the fuel first for some reason. It really doesn't matter. Lights all work on it. Otherwise, the seals are really good too. Surprised. That's pretty loose actually, but it moves in there right away. Front tires are brand new. Like I said, I don't even know what brand these ones are. I guess they're Firestone. You can see S-T-O-N-E. Oh, there's the logo right there. 18.438. I think I can find the date stamp. I found them on the other tractors. Ooh. Might be on the inside. Let's try the other tire. 8 weights, so that's 800 pounds. Sitting in a puddle. Really, you could probably put 40s on here. There's plenty of room. They go a lot faster down the road. We'd have to buy a whole new rim. I don't know. This is what you guys been bothering me about on Instagram. Yes, we have Instagram, Iowa Dairy Boys. Spelled the same way as the YouTube name. Really nice. There's the freaking sensors for the crap. It's been pretty good. I like it. I like the really shiny paint. I said brand new front tires, and then let's back out of here and end the video. Well, there you go. I'll pop up a picture right now if I can get into the editing halfway good of us over there with the TMR mixture on it yesterday. Today is the 20th of February. So it'll be about, I want to say 13th, about mid-March by the time you see this. And yes, they are fixed. They only spent a shit ton of dollars. They got a new floor because that one was really bent. Didn't even look like that. This one dumped a pile of money in. Before you say, oh, I'll just trade it off, you see this right here? This cab is shortened so we can get into some of our sheds to clean them out. This one's too tall. If you look right here, see how this cab goes above this orange piece right here by, I don't know, 6 inches, 4 inches? While this one is level, well, we had somebody trim a couple inches off the cab so we could get in. You can see how offset that is right there and right here. Yeah, the lights are terrible, but we never use them. Yeah, seats bad, but we got the locking on this side now. So that's nice, you won't fall out. Otherwise, that's about it. So much for welding on that bench, huh? So this is the end. 10 minutes just talking about crap? That's pretty terrible. Used to be a garage door up there. Anyway, Maybe I'll live stream here in a bit. You would know a long time ago. that bale exploded the other day. Kind of random, but whatever.